Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to start where sound originates, your phone and the Maps app. First, raise media volume and test with music so you know output works. Then open Google Maps, tap Settings, and choose Navigation Settings. Set voice to a language and voice level to loud. Make sure Bluetooth isn't routing audio to a parked device. Disable Bluetooth briefly to test. Once done, return to Maps and simulate a route to force the voice to play. Now you fix app-level problems that block speech. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Google Maps, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iPhone, reinstall the app to reset its state. Next, confirm location and microphone permissions are allowed so Maps can access necessary sensors and audio. Check text-to-speech engine. Choose the correct engine and language in system settings. If updates are pending in the store, finish by validating the full stack. Set a live route and listen, then try an offline map route to isolate network issues. If voice still doesn't play, change the text-to-speech engine, pick a different voice, and reboot the device to reload services. Make sure the app isn't muted in the system sound mixer. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, reset the text-to-speech settings to defaults and test again. This fixes corrupted voice files in many cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.